Welcome to the 10th episode of Scratch Shooting Game. This episode, we are going to fix the shooting screen, the loose screen. Right now, it doesn't look very good, as you see. I want it to fade in, so what we're going to do first is just delete this loose screen altogether, get a new sprite, and let's fill the background black and get the drawing tool, change it to red, and I'm trying my best to represent like blood or something fading through. So we can just go like this. Okay, and we're gonna go to bitmap, fill there. And I also want to flip this around. One sec. Flip vertical. It looks like it's fading through, or it's kind of like fire. And then go to text and just write "you lose." Fill it white. There. And go to code. And instead of switch backdrop to backdrop 2 over here in sprite 1, we're going to broadcast a new message. Broadcast message called lose. Okay. When I receive lose, then get a repeat 10 and change ghost effect by -10. And also get a one green flag clicked, duplicate this, and instead change ghost effect by 10. Let's see. See, we get this very nice fade. And when we die, because we broadcast lose and then we immediately stopped all, we got to wait let's wait 1 second before we stop all, just so we can see the very nice fade. So let's check this out too. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And then there's our lose screen. Let's change this you lose to red because I think it fits better. Yes, just you lose there and move this ammo right here. And we don't need to show kills. There, we just have our ammo on our over there. So right now this looks very, very good. We can change the crosshair a bit as well. This video is also just for editing our game, just small details, but when you do a lot of these, it's gonna add up and your game is gonna be very good. Let's see, flip this a little bit. A little bit more. There we go. Yeah, it's like a star now. Okay, and I also want to change the hearts a bit because I don't really like the look of the hearts. However, let's just start with one first, like this. And this would be a good heart. So, next episode we're just gonna copy this on all of them, but let's test this out. Yeah, pretty smooth.